Hey everyone, it's Kelly here with She Learns Video, and today I'm going to be sharing with you a little bit about B-roll. What is B-roll? Why do you need B-roll? Why is it even called B-roll? I will answer all those questions and I'm so excited to share, so let's jump in. Let's start off by talking about what is B-roll. B-roll is essentially anything that adds to your film that doesn't directly display the subject of the video. So for example, at a wedding, this might be a shot of the flowers or maybe just an exterior shot of the venue. I think that B-roll can really add to a film by adding in some additional elements that can show the emotion of the day or behind the scenes and enhance that story that you're trying to display. I use B-roll a lot when I am shooting outside with families. Maybe I will take a shot of the sun coming through the trees to just give you a vibe for what the day and what that film should really feel like. Okay, so why is it even called B-roll? Well, honestly, that's something I went and looked up just to make sure I had it right before sharing it with all of you. But when you think about a video shoot, a lot of times there is an A cam. So for example, that would be the camera pointed directly at your subject, perhaps in an interview like this, and then a B cam would be an additional angle off to the side, showing another side or another part of that story. And for the films I'm normally making, and many of you this may be the same case, is you might be a one-person show who only has one camera. So what I'll do with that is, for example, at a wedding when I'm shooting alone, I will have my camera focused on the bride, we'll do some shots of her getting ready, and then maybe in the next moment I'll ask her to borrow her earrings and I'll do a B-roll shot of her earrings in the box, or maybe her dress on a hanger outside flowing in the wind, and that's what we would call B-roll. Those are just additional shots that are going to add to the story and provide that much more value to the viewer. Okay, so why do you need B-roll for your films? Well, as I've said before, it definitely helps enhance the video and adds more to your story for the viewer. I think that B-roll is one of those things that you can never really have enough of it. It does give you the opportunity to put different shots between perhaps people speaking or your subjects doing different things throughout the film. I also think that it can provide great transitions. For example, if you have a family that's getting ready and then they're going to the park, maybe you show their little shoes by the door all lined up before they put them on, or you show cars going by as they're arriving to the park, and then when they get to the park, maybe you are showing the trees blowing in the wind. So all of those tell the story better, they help your viewer to understand what you're trying to convey, and they really just provide a more beautiful viewing experience for anyone watching the film. Alright, so I hope this video was helpful. I know it was quick and simple, but I wanted to provide more information on what B-roll is, how to use it, and what it even means. So if you liked this video, definitely hit the like button below, subscribe, leave us a comment if you have any questions, and go over and check us out at shelearnsvideo.com. Thanks!